Over that time, I have taken the opportunity to increase my skills in facilitating workshops, presenting information to Bruneian teachers and other CfBT teachers. I found this very rewarding. It strengthened my relationships with both my Bruneian colleagues and my CfBT colleagues. I've also had the opportunity to work on curriculum items in conjunction with the ministry here, where myself and another teacher were developing bilingual books for the lower primary curriculum. Because Brunei is a small country, we are given the opportunity to work with varying levels of the Bruneian education system, both at the school level, at the cluster level and at the ministry level. It has been very rewarding to do so, and it certainly adds to the items I can put into my curriculum vitae in the future.